2021 is a year for rebuilding careers and businesses. However, you may be struggling with limited funding like so many. I want to help. Hi, my name is Ed Bounds, and for the next 3 minutes, I'll share some information on how you can build or rebuild a very lucrative business with limited funding, just like I have many times. Yes, this is an ad, but my intent here is to inspire you, so don't give up on me yet. I'm going to be totally transparent. I'm going to share a personal business story that should surprise and I hope motivate you to move forward with your dreams, no matter what the world's saying around you. And I'll share my credentials so you can be confident I'm not just some random guy wasting your valuable time. In addition, I'm going to make an offer that will demonstrate my focus is on helping you succeed and not out to get your hard-earned money. But first, a question. Why do some people seem to be successful in life and business while others seem to struggle? I think one of the top 2 reasons is lack of knowledge and desire. In an effort to help, I'll make a deal with you. I'll bring you valuable, proven information that will help you blow the lid off your income this year. All you have to do is bring your desire to do better and willingness to invest in yourself. The offer I spoke about is our video course called More Traffic, More Profits, with 5 secrets that'll help explode your revenue with little to no advertising cost. I put together this amazing online marketing training, which comes from 16 years of online business experience, not theory. And the best part is, I'm making it so anyone can afford it. In fact, you can have these secrets for less than you pay for lunch at your favorite restaurant. As I said, my name is Ed Bounds, and I'm the owner of Superior Home Business Consultants and founder of Superior HBC University. Now, I've been educating, mentoring, and empowering entrepreneurs around the world for almost 2 decades. I started my first business at just 13 years old. I spent the past 45 years building 6 successful businesses, some generating millions in annual revenue, with no bank loans or venture capital. You could say I know how to build businesses on a shoestring budget, but I also know that with the right information and desire, you can too. One of my proudest business accomplishments came in 2001 with my previous tech startup venture. We were one of the first companies to bring to market the thumb drive, or you may know it as a USB flash drive. In fact, you may own several of these amazing products right now. The flash drive helped revolutionize how the world transferred computer data. These and many innovative products help us to beat our major competition like Dell, Apple, and IBM on many occasions. I started that business out of my garage in Dallas, Texas in 1998. And with hard work and favor from God, we had 2 locations, 20 employees, and were generating millions in revenue in the first 3 years. However, after 6 years of working 70 hours a week with a family who rarely saw me, I knew it was time for a change. So I tried working for someone else in hopes that I'd have more time with my family. However, this didn't give me the satisfaction and the income I felt I was worth. I knew I needed a new plan. In 2006, I dove into the online business industry, and I founded Superior Home Business Consultants, again, with no bank loans or venture capital and very limited funds. For the past 16 years, I've been learning and excelling in the online marketing world. And to date, I've coached and mentored thousands of entrepreneurs from all over the world, providing them with quality business education and effective marketing strategies to help them start and grow businesses of their own. You see, I was teaching people to work from anywhere they wanted to be long before it was trending and long before there was a tidal wave of business coaches who seemed to be coming out of the woodwork since the pandemic. Superior HBC is an accredited member of the Better Business Bureau with an A+ rating. And as mentioned, we've been in business for almost 2 decades under the same business name. So if you're searching for someone you can trust to help you grow a business, I can help you. I'm so thankful for this success, and today I want to pay it forward by making our More Traffic, More Profit e-course available to you to help you grow your business without breaking your budget. In this e-course, you'll learn step-by-step 5 secret strategies to drive targeted customers to your business using Facebook, YouTube, and Pinterest, as well as strategies using email marketing and forums while spending very little money on advertising. Now, this course is valued at $197, but for a limited time today, I'm offering it to you for only $27. That's a savings of $170. Implementing just one of these strategies properly could explode your profits by 10 times. Now, how much is that worth to you?